Hey guys, it's Randy Bable here, principal broker of 10 commercial properties in Sevierville, Tennessee. I'm about 10 minutes off the I-40 in Cosby on the Cosby Highway, right across from the Cosby Elementary School. And I've got a 20,000 square foot warehouse here that's actually ideal for so many type of uses. Zone commercial, obviously. You set it up for a storage facility, maintenance, repair shop, a distribution factory. Hell, you can even put it as an 800-suite restaurant if you want to, because there's 3 big septic tanks in the back. We got gas, we have power, we have all the utilities here for you that you really need to go to make this work for you and your business. I'll tell you what, instead of me waffling on, let's go ahead inside and check it out. Now, as you can see from looking around, a 20,000 square foot building is actually rather large when it's open like this one is. Over 200 feet long, around 90 odd feet wide. In between each one of these posts is about 20 feet. So you have a 20 feet opening, which is actually perfect for a storage facility to actually divide up all your bays. Underneath the ceiling joist, we got about 12 foot to the underside of the ceiling joist. So we got a pretty decent height there. We got utilities in here. We got a sprinkler system as well. Then we have the front section of the building. It used to be a little restaurant space, but that's a great space that you can really set up for your offices if you want to run your office area up in the front and then have your big production area, whatever you want to do back here in this open warehouse area. Oh, and did I mention, it's also a brand new roof. So if you've outgrown your existing building or your business needs a lot of space and you really need to come by and take a look at this, I've set up a website right here below with more information and photos. My details are also right down here below. Give me a call, pick up the phone, let me get you out here so you can take a look. I'm Randy Bable, principal broker of 10 commercial properties, and I hope I can make this building work for you and your business. I look forward to hearing from you.